And now joining us is Escarpment Law Group, and they're talking about who they are, what services they offer, and a common mistake that you might be making. Alanna, tell us about Escarpment Law Group.
We are three lawyers, Douglas DiPaolo, Aldo Berlingeri, and myself, Alanna Stephen. We practice primarily in the area of real estate, so we assist people when they are buying and selling their homes. We also do estate work, wills, and corporate law as well. And we have three offices, so we have an office up the mountain on Fennel, an office in Stony Creek, and one in Burlington also.
Very nice, so that there's an office for everybody around town.
Yes, we find it's quite convenient for clients and accessible for them as well.
At what point do we get a lawyer involved in the real estate process?
A client should be able to contact their lawyer at any point during the process, but generally we get involved when the agreement becomes firm. So an agreement is firm when the conditions are met and have been dealt with. Generally what we see in agreements of purchase and sale are a couple typical conditions. A condition for financing and a condition for inspection. Okay. So when those have been dealt with, either fulfilled or waived, met in some way, and the agreement is then firm, it's really important at that point, if not before, to get the agreement into the hands of your lawyer.
Okay, so let's talk about common mistakes that home buyers commonly do, and maybe we aren't even aware of that we're doing this.
Right. I think the most common mistakes are really delaying on getting the agreement into the hands of your lawyer. If you leave it too long and too close to the closing date, the completion date, that can really become problematic. Also, not making sure you have your insurance in place in a timely manner and not making sure your financing is in place. So really, those things need to be contemplated, especially the financing, before you even enter into an agreement of purchase and sale.
Great, lots of useful tips there. Where can somebody go if they're in need of a real estate lawyer to find you?
You can call us directly, so the number is 905-667-2990, and you'll be able to speak to someone right away.
Great, well thank you so much, Alanna.
Thank you, our pleasure.